Imagine combining the incredible power of reasoning with superpowers of research. Well, that's exactly what we are talking about with integration of Perplexity and Deepseek R1. This means users can now leverage Deepseek reasoning capabilities for enhanced search. This was a brilliant move by Arvind Srinivas and Liang Wang Fan. I hope I said that right. By hosting DeepSeek on its local servers in the United States, Perplexity is addressing data privacy, censorship concerns, ensuring data safety, avoiding all those Chinese regulations. But wait, the AI race is heating up. OpenAI is always competing and aiming to stay on top. They've just released their new O3 mini models, low, medium, high, and they integrated that into Perplexity. This integration is set to revolutionize how we search and process information. For today's demonstration purposes, I am going to be demonstrating one query. And if you have a free Perplexity account, you can try 5 different searches per day. To activate that reasoning capability, you will have to go ahead and click on this little pro icon here. Oh, they already integrated O3 Mini. So let's try O3 Mini. Oh, it is not letting me try. That's okay. I'm going to go ahead and use my old friend Deepseek R1. And I've always wondered how Deepseek R1 is affecting NVIDIA's stock market. So let's go ahead and check the potential long-term impacts of that on NVIDIA's market share. And I'm going to click go. And of course, it is looking for the sources first, and then it's going to get into the reasoning capabilities. What I really like about DeepSeek is the chain of thought process that it gives out. I can literally see how the model is been thinking, and I only have to give one sentence. It will actually go back and check itself and think and reason and give me the right sources. So here are all my 54 sources for how this DeepSeek is going to impact NVIDIA market. All of these sources are right here. And here is the reasoning capability. I do have the competitive pressure, pricing, market share, risk opportunities, financial strategies, long-term. And let's go and check one source. Of course, it's going to be valid because it's NVIDIA, but I just wanted to go ahead and give it a shot. Let's just try this one. And there you go. It works. I hope you enjoyed this. If you do, please make sure you follow for more.